this is Beth with Sexiest Hair. We just got this LED ring light from CroLED. It has two settings, warm and cool. This is the warm setting that's on me now. It has a stand in the middle to hold your phone, and it actually has a charger cable as well to charge your phone. It comes in a carrying case, and the stand is adjustable for height, and the ring itself is adjustable at an angle depending on what you need. So it's a really good light. We're really happy with it. Check it out on the links below, guys. Hope you like it too. Bye. Thanks for watching.